If you are trying to download a game from Battle.net but experiencing issues with slow download speeds, then carry on watching, as by the end of this video I'm going to show you all the steps you need to take to speed up your download speed and to improve your overall connection. So the very first thing we need to do is head over to our start menu and search for Task Manager and tap on the Task Manager icon. And from here we need to come over to details inside of the left here. And in this list of processes you should see Battle.net as long as it's running in the background. And we need to right click this and come over to set priority. And we want to change this to high, and you'll get a confirmation message pop up which we just need to select change priority, and then we can head out of this task manager window. Then the next thing you need to do is change your DNS servers, and we can do this by heading over to the start menu and searching for control panel. Tap on control panel and just make sure view by is set to category up here, and then come inside of network and internet, network and sharing center, and select change adapter settings from the left here, and you need to locate the Wi-Fi that you're currently connected to. Mine's this network one here, so we're going to right click on our Wi-Fi and select properties, and from this list you'll see something called Internet Protocol version 4. Select that and come into properties, and we're going to change this from obtain DNS server addresses automatically to use the following DNS server addresses. And inside of here we're just going to type in 8888 and 8844. And now this is going to connect to Google's free public DNS server addresses, which should improve your connection and improve overall download speeds. Just hit OK and close out of these windows, and the next thing we're going to do is head back over to the Start menu and search for Device Manager, and tap on the Device Manager tab, and from this list you'll see something called Network Adapters which we need to expand, and you need to locate your network adapter from this list. Mine's this Wi-Fi one here, but if you're connected to an Ethernet cable, then you may have an Ethernet one pop up instead. So just right click on your Wi-Fi adapter and come into Update Driver. And then we can press search automatically for drivers. And once you've ensured you're running the latest network driver on your device, we can then close out of these windows. And the next thing you want to do is head over to the start menu and search for CMD, and then right click on command prompt and make sure to run as administrator. Inside of here we just need to type in ipconfig /flush DNS and hit enter. And this is going to flush all of our network cache to improve performance, and then head out of this window. Then the next thing you need to do is head back over to the start menu, search for Windows Defender, and come over to Windows Defender Firewall. Inside of here select allow an Apple feature through Windows Defender Firewall, and press this change settings button at the top. And you need to scroll through this list of applications to check if we've already got Battle.net added to this list. As you can see, I don't have Battle.net inside of here, so we'll need to come into allow another app from the bottom here, inside of browse, and we need to locate the Battle.net application, which is usually located within your C drive, inside of Program Files x86, inside of Battle.net, and you'll find the Battle.net.exe file which we can double click and select Add. And once you've added it to this list, just make sure both private and public are ticked here, and then we can press OK to save these changes. Then the next thing you need to do is head back over to the Start menu and search for Settings, come over to Settings, and from the left here come down to Network and Internet inside of VPN, and just ensure that you're disconnected from your VPN. As you can see on my screen here it says not connected, and if you're connected you can just press this disconnect button next to it, and then we can close out of this window. And the very last thing you're going to do is launch up the Battle.net application, and from here we're going to come over to the Battle.net icon in the top left hand side, inside of Settings, and then head over to this Downloads tab, and if we scroll all the way down to the bottom here, you'll see all of these download limits, and we just want to uncheck everything inside of here, and then we can press save to save our changes. And that's it guys. By following all of these steps, that should have improved your download speeds inside of Battle.net. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.